Me, it's on? Yeah, me, it's on. Okay, it's on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me. Yeah. So, before I start the video, I just want to tell you guys that, I have a little bit of a cold today. And since I have a cold, I have like a stuffy nose, a sore throat, and the cough. So if I like sound weird, that's why. So bye. Honey, what's the matter? Oh, hey Mom. I'm just waiting for a call from Toby. Oh, okay. Well, could you keep it down? I'm trying to watch football. Football? Since when did you watch football? I'm a Steelers fan, okay? Whatever, Mom. Alright, well, breakfast will be on the table in a few, okay? Oh, Mom, it's like 3 or something like that. Nope, I checked on my phone. It's 4. Oh, well, I just thought maybe you'd have a lunch or something. I already had breakfast and lunch. Oh, well, yeah, I never came in here. Right. Where's that coming from? Hello? Oh, hi, this is Toby. Oh, hi, Toby. Babe. Yeah, I just wanted to tell you, I won't be, coming with you to Magenta's Northway at the field because, well, I have to go to this meeting with my mom and dad, so I'm not going anywhere. I'm really sorry, babe. I'll make it up to you. We can go tomorrow. Yeah, that's fine. Thanks. Bye. I can't believe he did this to me. It's our 1-year anniversary and he's not going to make it? Ugh. I hope he does come back tomorrow. No! Oh, okay then. Mom, what are you yelling at? The Steelers didn't win. Stupid Seahawks. Okay then. Well, honey, I'm just going to go to the grocery store to buy some food for dinner. Okay, what are we having? Mushroom stew. Ew. Can we have something else? Nope, because that's what we're having. This day keeps on getting worser and worser. I'll be back in a few, alright? Okay, Mom. Oh, and don't invite any boys. Don't use the oven. And do not, I repeat, do not have a party when I'm gone. Mom, you're only going to the store for like 15 minutes. What do you expect I'm going to do? Just making sure. Oh, great. Whoa, what was that? What are those things? So go back and gather as much pet subs as you can. Or at least just find out where they live. Sir, yes, sir. But I have a question. What? Why do we even need to invade the Pet Shop City when they did nothing to us? 'cause their population is growing and our population is decreasing. We need to make it stop. The pet shops causes diseases, sickness, and might even death. So I need you to go back and fight. I'll be sending other troops with you, so just in case if you get bitten. You're acting like they're gonna hurt me. Oh, they can. Their bites are very poisonous, and if they get to you, you'll be a goner. Whatever. Just be careful. I'm counting on you, and you're trustworthy, but if you fail me, things aren't going to turn out so well for you. Yeah, I get the point. Good. I gotta go back home. Huh, weird. Meow. Honey, where have you been? I've been worried sick. And you said you wouldn't leave the house. What happened? Mom, you have to believe me. The stuffed animals are coming and they're going to invade Pet Shop City. That's nonsense. It's not true. And if it was, it would have already happened by now. No, Mom, you've got to believe me. They're coming and just believe me. I'm pretty sure we're going to be fine. Anyway, so Mom, just look on the news. All right, what channel is that? 10. News channel 10. Let's see what they have on television. We interrupt this program for a very special message. There has been sightings of stuffed animal in the city. Stay indoors, and if you see anybody outside, warn them, and just be caution. If you come across a stuffed animal, then you're gonna need to... Mom, what happened to the TV? It's just a little blackout, sweetie. You'll be fine. Oh, well, okay then. There's nothing to worry about. It's just a little dark. Why is this blackout even happening? Probably someone cut the electricity cord. We're going to be fine. But, Mom, what about the stuffed animals? Honey, I told you, we're going to be safe. Don't worry. We're going to be fine. Right, how are you so sure? It's because, darling, I've been living here since I was a kid. This neighborhood is pretty safe. Whatever you say, Mom.